This is the upright wedge with the everyday curve. And again, when you piece, you always want the concave piece on top. But first you need to find the midpoints. So to find the midpoints of this, these are not symmetrical pieces. So when you want to line up where the stitch line is going to go. So you can use the vinyl that we gave you. Lay one side against the vinyl and make sure when you put the other side on, the ends match at where the stitch line is going to go. Then follow your curve down, make sure it's lined up, finger press the end. Same with the arc piece. You're going to line it up with the vinyl. On this one I like to do it wrong sides together. Line it up with the vinyl, and then they should have a crossover and meet at the stitch line. Make sure your arc matches all the way down and finger press. And we're going to place them right sides together. Match the midpoints. Pin that. And then again we're going to use the vinyl that we gave you. Line up the bottom piece and then put the top piece, and again where they match will be 1/4 inch in. You're going to stitch with the needle down, and you're only going to worry about the 1/2 to 1 inch in front of the needle, and just move the top fabric as you need to. Stop before you get to the pin and match the bottoms. Now here your bottoms are just going to match with a flush. Pin it and continue stitching. And then when you press it open, you'll have a straight line here and a straight line at the top. That's the upright wedge.